been a minute since I talked to Vlon, man. I'm excited. Hey, what's good, my boy? You trying to do that again?
That's the moment you said, "Hey, Vlon." I couldn't, bro. I got you.
Alright, hold on. Hey, what's good, my boy? What's good?
Shades, what's up, bro? It's been a minute.
You know why I called you, right?
I'm assuming you needed some tips.
Wait, what kind of tips? Huh?
What you said?
You said tips?
You thought I said give you tip. No, bro. That's why you laughed. I was so confused, bro. I was sitting here.
My bad.
But it's tip time. No. No, it's not tip time. That's the worst way to start the next part. It's not tip time. Tips with Vlon.
What are some steps that you can give to people to do?
Number one, first of all, this is obviously just base. Make sure your music is good. 2, marketing. You're going to want to be posting every single day. And it's not as hard as people make it seem. I mean, if you see someone else's thing, steal it.
Bad artists copy, good artists steal. But I feel like some people might get confused. You don't want to copy. So if you're stealing it, you're kind of making it your own, if that makes sense.
Just make it in your own way.
What kind of marketing technique would you give for indie artists that don't know how to promote themselves?
You know, I'll often do like a little comedy skit before some of my videos as an intro to hook them in. You know, it's just simple hook marketing. And there's also like transitional marketing to where it's like, will be something big going on and then it transitions into the lyrics. There's many ways to market. There's obviously the standing forward method where you just show your face and you talk. There's all of these ways, but you just want to make sure that you are doing them. No matter how you have to make it work, whether it comes from memes and you somehow format it to get to you, you got to make sure that you're posting. Tip number 2, networking. You're going to want to work with other artists. You know, you're going to want to bring their fan base around your fan base. This helps a lot. Both of y'all gain. No matter how small you are, you can scale this as well because y'all are combining fan bases. I mean, y'all are coming together, collaboration.
What's the best way to collab, if that makes sense?
I mean, a simple DM. I mean, the internet's ran crazy now. I mean, a simple DM can go very far nowadays.
What if you're small? Like, you know, you're small, you think your music is good, and like you're trying to hit up someone a little bigger.
You're too small, you know what I'm saying? It's not. That's why you got to build up with who you are working with, so then you can work with those bigger artists. Because I mean, you know, when I started out, you know, I had 0 followers. I was working with artists who also had low amounts of followers. I mean, the music had to speak more for itself to even initially get through that first step. And then later on, as I learned to network and I learned about business relationships and all that, I started working with artists like Kilbron, Keno Carter, artists with 200, 300,000, millions of monthly listeners, 7 million. So it's like network. It's important. You'll never know where you'll find around the world or who knows who to put you in a certain predicament to blow you up like crazy.
What advice you gotta give people that aren't confident? Like, what if they don't feel comfortable, or what if they don't want to show their face at all?
I mean, there's different content styles you can do if you don't want to show your face. I mean, obviously, you can do edits, like, you can do edits with your song. I mean, even, like, you can take memes into this. Like, you could take, like, for example, some person saying something crazy, and you can turn it into a transition and then put your song and then edit behind it. It's like, there's multiple ways for you to be able to have a space as an artist. I mean, there's tons of like anonymous artists that have never showed face, you know.
As an indie artist, would you rather have them make music to blow up or try to grow little by little?
I'll say you should make music for the substance, because I don't necessarily make music to like market them, but I also know what sounds like it could be marketed, just because I pay attention to what is mainstream as well.
As an indie artist, how do you go about finding collaborators?
So you scroll on TikTok, you see someone on your For You page, send them a text. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you see somebody on Instagram, send them a text.
Would you say that's something they should be focusing on, or not at all?
It's an element of things. Anywhere that lies an opportunity, you should just focus on networking. Anything in your space, in your niche, you should network towards that direction. What's in your niche? Within your niche.
So what about for those indie artists that think, oh, in my city there's nothing happening, or there's nothing going on, I feel like TikTok's not working for me. Should I move states?
I mean, it's still mechanical work to do there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so, I mean, if there's opportunities in that place at which you know that you can go get it, hey, go for it, bro. But hey, if there's nothing over there and you have no certainty and you just want to move somewhere, hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I don't want y'all homeless, twin. Don't do that. I don't want y'all to have freezing, shaking booty cheeks in the winter, bro. I'm good, bro. Y'all be alright.
We're gonna be out there in New York trying to make music on the street. I'm bad at that.
Fact, bro. Being line street work is crazy.
Alright, so is there anything else you want to say? Last advice that you can give for indie artists?
You gotta be consistent in everything. You gotta be hungry for this. I'm not gonna lie. Because, I mean, I see so many people get to such a high pep and then they just lose the motivation and then they stop. And it's like, consistency, bro, you gotta act like you is a rabid dog and you ain't 8 days. You gotta want it bad. And you gotta fully believe that you can do it. Because it reflects in everything that you do. I mean, your confidence shows and behind what you're doing. You gotta fully believe in yourself before anybody else is fully gonna believe in you.
Out of everything that I want you to remember from this video is the journey and to be patient. Some people might get 20K in 1 week. Another guy might get it in 6 months or 1 month. But as long as you love what you do, overall just trust the process and trust God, alright? So with that being said, is there anything else you want to add for the video?
Don't throw mayonnaise at your grandma's, guys.
What? Grandma's what?
Don't throw mayonnaise at your grandma, guys. Don't do it.
Let them know who you is.
My name is Sincerely Vlon on Spotify and all platforms. Sincerely Vlon on YouTube. And listen to Insensitive.
Yeah, and also, if you wanna know how to sound like Vlon, we did a video before. You can go check out that video as well. With that being said, hey, I appreciate you hopping on, my man. Alright, I'm gonna end it here.
Introduce you to the hillside, like that Philippines out.